Mr. Smith, point five of Mr. and Mrs. Smith here, and listen, this is how it's going to work for you. With you being a credit specialist, you're already connected to people who want to better their credit, but sometimes they may not want to pay somebody to do it. And it's an abundance of people who don't mind fixing their credit themselves. So for those who want someone to fix the credit for them, that's where you'll rack up and you'll make a ton of money in that area. However, it is money being left on the table because it's people who don't mind fixing credit themselves. So what they do is they go search different options and get a part of certain networks and groups that teach them how to do it themselves. But if you have a DIY solution, now you can say, hey, even though you may not want to pay me to fix your credit, I have a DIY option that allows you to restore your own credit yourself. And now you sell it to them inexpensively. They're able to fix the credit themselves. They're able to create testimonies for you and your business model. But at the same time, you didn't leave money on the table. Now, this is going to be your superpower. And I really want you to catch this. Because you're in the credit specialist, or you're a credit specialist, you're in the credit industry, there's a ton of people that you're connected to already who fix credit. The problem is over 75%, probably closer to 90% of them do not have a DIY option. So you are able to now, if you get access to the membership, the platform that I'm referring to that has the built-in DIY credit option, you're able to give them a solution to that problem because they're leaving money on the table as well as you leaving money on the table by not having a DIY option. So as you sell the membership to those who want to better their own credit, now you make money and you do overrides and you can position yourself to have residual income. But when you sell it to other credit specialists who do the same thing, they make money as well. So you solve their problem and you're able to earn leveraged income because you have a force or organization of other credit specialists who are interested in providing a DIY solution to their clients or other credit specialists. So it's a lot of money that can be made there. And I'm gonna just throw some numbers out there just so you can get a picture of why I said six-figure passive income and how that can be real for you. Let's say you had 100 credit specialists or a combination of credit specialists and clients that came through your organization and you sold them the membership, basically 100 people. Of that 100, let's just say 10 of the credit specialists said, you know what, this makes sense. I have a DIY solution. I want to sell this to my clients, but I also want to sell it to other credit specialists. Let's say 10 of them did the exact same thing that you did. Just 10 out of 100. No big numbers, no selling, no pipe dreams, things of that nature. 10 of them did 100. That positions you to have an organization of over 1,000 people, which will pay you a passive six-figure residual income. Now, of course, you could do more. Of course, you could do less. But I just want to make the numbers plain. So if you did 110 of those people did the same exact thing that you did, six-figure passive income because you're solving a problem that many credit specialists have, which is not having a DIY solution. And it's a lot of money, billions being left on the table for that very reason. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you want access to the inexpensive membership so you can get started, or if you want to schedule a call, we can do that. I'd be happy to hop on the phone with you so we can make this real and definitely position you to create another stream of income passively, because we know as business owners, it's only a certain amount that you can physically do. It's only a certain amount of clients that you can literally take on unless you decide to hire out people or outsource things of that nature. So you need to have a way that you can still be making money while you're doing whatever it is that you do, and do it with leverage and passively. And this option allows you to do just that. Hopefully that makes sense. I am Mr. Smith. I look forward to working with you and putting some money in your pocket, and let's win together. Salute. Now wait, real quick, because I understand that seeing is believing. This is what you'll get access to for yourself and your clients, but you'll also be able to position other credit specialists to get access to this, and now you earn leveraged income as they also tap into this DIY platform because they don't have it themselves. So it's the My Credit System. You get access to the 3-part of the My Credit System, but let's focus on the 750 credit plan because that's what I've discussed. Now, this is the membership course page, and basically as you scroll down, it has course lessons broken down into modules. Module 1, Intro to 750 Credit Plan. Module 2, Obtain Your Credit Report and Credit Scores. All of this is familiar stuff to you, so I don't have to go through it in detail because you're familiar with this terminology. But as you can see, it's a ton of different things, and I accidentally clicked dispute things on your report, but this thing always opens up into more to offer. So it's really one that I really want to dive into, just so you can see how to remove negative payment history. If you click on this, or your clients click on this, or other credit specialists click on this, it makes a person self-efficient so they can operate without you. It's all about you earning leverage income and maximizing your time. So we teach them how to go about it, but not only do we teach them, we provide all of the letters that they need. I can keep scrolling, I can keep going in different formats, the letters that they need in order to get their credit taken care of themselves. Yes, I know you're able to do this for them, but if you are in a position to allow them to do it themselves, now you pick up some of the money that's being left on the table. So the modules go all the way to 10. It's not a lot of fluff, straight to the point. They can get the job done themselves, and they thank you for it. And then, like I said, your superpower is other credit specialists. So if you get them in front of this information and they decide that they want to join, now you can create a passive 4-figure monthly income or 6-figure annual income in addition to the money that you're already making. Hopefully that makes sense. Click the link that's available so you can go ahead and get started, because when I first got started, around the time I got started, it was $200 to get enrolled. As of now, you can get started for less than $30. Take advantage. Don't think too hard on it. If there's something you're interested in and adding more revenue to your current business model, don't waste any time, and I can assist you any way that you need. And let's go from there. That's all I got for now. Mr. Smith, signing out.